Hey hens and roosters, welcome back. And if you're new here, if this is your first time, welcome. I am Naomi and this is Summer Hen, and it is so good to have you here today. Today, we're doing something I never thought I would do. Today, we are testing root spray. This is Rita Hazan, I don't know, New York Root Concealer Touch-Up Spray. Whoa, I really never thought we'd be here. Okay, I don't normally look at root sprays because I have a strong opinion. I have always believed that root sprays were kind of like karma, okay? Like, you're not allowed to have your roots be touched up in between going to the salon because, like, that's your punishment for not going back to the salon. So I always thought that if I got a root spray and fixed it up without actually doing it kind of right, that I would like get a parking ticket or something. And that's really weird to think of because I don't drive a car. But anyway, so we're gonna try this in real time, right now. So the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna show you a shot of what my roots look like now. Take a look at these bad boys. Yeah, well, here's the thing. Depending on the light, these either look like bad roots, not great roots, or an inch of straight gray. I do not actually have gray hair yet, but under the right light, sure looks like I do. So we're gonna try this right now. All right. What does it say? This I cannot even read. So I'm just gonna tell you that I looked earlier and it said 6 to 12 inches, light touch. All right. I did this when I was in Sephora and I tried it on and I really tried really hard not to get it on any passerby. I don't know how well I did, but I think I did okay. I was just completely amazed. I was on a bit of a shopping bender. I saw it in the point of sale, you know, the little windy place where you get up to the cash, and I just saw it, and it was VIP Rouge, and I don't know, okay? I don't know. I don't know what I was thinking, but I bought root spray, and then I tried it on. I may have tried it on someone's beard. I did ask for consent before I did that. Anyway, we're gonna try it out. We're gonna do it right now. First up, spray it well. I have notes for what I want to say about this, and this part is do it on screen. All right. Let's have a look. Don't look at the instructions. You can't read them. All right. I need a mirror. We're going to use the worst possible mirror for the circumstances. Let's do this. Okay. Shaky, 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 welly, welly, welly. Ooh, one important thing. You want to make sure that when you're spraying anything on your body ever, spray it on something else first, okay? Because if it's gonna get temperamental and be all Scorpio on you, okay, you want it to be Scorpio on an index card, not on your person, okay? Let's see what happens. I can't really see, so. All right, I don't know if this is like, if I'm hitting the 6 to 12 inches. There, I'm seeing stuff happening now. Smells kind of funny. All right. Let's take a look at the close-up. Ooh, maybe I need a little bit more here. This is scary. Scary, scary, scary. Scary! Let's take a look at the close-up. So, what do you think about that? Pretty cool, huh? They say it is water and transfer proof. I have not tested this, but if I try it and anything interesting happens, I'll let you know. The one thing I would say is, what it says in the instructions is you make sure that you use it after you've done everything else and you've styled, okay? So basically, if I were to get in there and start messing now, it would come off on my hands. If you're like blonde, that may not be a big deal. If you're a redhead, you're gonna look like Lady Macbeth. If you're me, I look like I've been playing in the dirt and it's pretty, it's not great. So basically, once it's on, leave it there, okay? All right, what next? If you are not yet part of the Hens and Roosters Club, please click subscribe to find out when my new videos come out. If you would like YouTube to notify you that I have come out with a new video, click that little bell and it's gonna let you know, okay? We've got reviews, we've got me doing crazy things on camera, we've got tutorials, we've got hauls, and even if you just want to voyeuristically look at what I put in my makeup bag, we got that too, all right? Hens and roosters, I hope you have a wonderful day and I will see you next time.